In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply a formula to multiple rows in Google Sheets. Whether you're managing personal finances, analyzing data, or handling your projects, mastering formulas can significantly enhance your productivity and accuracy. So, let's dive in and see how easily we can achieve this in Google Sheets. First things first, open your Google Sheet. If you have Google Sheets bookmarked, a quick click will get you started. Otherwise, open your web browser and navigate to sheets.google.com. Once you have Google Sheets open, you'll want to have your spreadsheet ready, where we'll be applying our formula. Once your sheet is open, the next step is to select the cell where you want your result to appear. Just click on it, and it will become highlighted. For our example, let's select the first cell where you wish to apply your formula. Selecting a cell is crucial because it tells Google Sheets where you'd like to place the output of your formula. Now that we have our cell selected, it's time to type in the formula. For this demonstration, suppose you want to calculate the average of values located in cells B3 and C3. You will type an equals sign, followed by an open parenthesis, and then enter B3 plus C3. Close your parenthesis after C3. To complete the formula and compute the average, divide by 2. This simple formula will look like this, equal sign, B3 plus C3 slash 2. Typing the formula carefully is important to ensure its accuracy. After entering the formula, all you need to do is hit the Enter key. This will immediately execute the calculation based on the numbers in cells B3 and C3, and you'll see the result pop right into the cell you originally selected. Quite a magical moment, isn't it? Seeing the computation instantly reminds us of the magic of technology. Now, you don't need to repeat this process manually for every row. To apply this formula to multiple rows, Google Sheets provides a handy feature called autofill. To use it, click on the cell where you've just input the formula, then hover your mouse over the small blue square at the bottom right corner of the cell. When your cursor changes to a plus sign, click and drag it down over all the rows where you want the formula applied. Alternatively, double-click the blue square for Google Sheets to autofill the formula into all subsequent rows automatically. And there you have it. With just a few clicks and keystrokes, you've managed to apply a formula across multiple rows in Google Sheets. This method is a massive time saver, especially when working with large datasets. Keep practicing, and soon, applying formulas will become second nature to you. Happy spreadsheeting!